Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to tell about the introduction about brake system. Okay, what do you mean by brakes? Brakes are the mechanical devices used for retarding the motion of a vehicle. Okay, now this means that even a vehicle is moving very fast, we can stop a brake. We can stop the vehicle within a short distance. That is called as a brake system. So brakes are also used to stop the vehicle quickly within a shorter distance. Okay, another definition says brakes are also used to hold the vehicle at rest on an inclined road against the pull of gravity. So this means even a vehicle is moving at any place, that is even in a wet stage or dry stage or uphill, downhill, at any stage we can stop the vehicle with the help of some brake systems. Okay, now so these are the some 8 basic requirement of brake system. So the application of brake should bring the vehicle to relative quick to stop on any type of the road, either maybe that road may be either wet, dry, even uneven, unhill, downhill. So at any stage the vehicle can be stop. Okay, now that is about the first application, that is about the first requirement. So second one is a separate mechanical brake is required to hold the vehicle in a position on a gradient. So separate brake systems are required at any stage to stop the vehicle. Okay, the braking system component must require a minimum maintenance. So that is, we know every day we have to maintain the brake system, whether we have to check whether the brake system is holding or not. So otherwise it may cause us or it may, if the brake system is not proper, means it go and hit somewhere. Okay, now so the next one is the pedal effort required to produce a maximum deacceleration should be minimum and should not vary within condition of the road. Okay, now the braking system should allow the minimum time between the application of the pedal effort and the actual braking effect on the drum. So this drum is nothing but it is a braking system also. This is braking, it is one of the brake system. So braking action should not involve any noise or drift the vehicle away from its desired path. So brake should not create any nonsense things, that is a noise, and it will not struck during the running vehicle. Okay, now provision for quick heat dissipation must be incorporated. A secondary braking system must be incorporated, and should the primary braking system should not be failed. Okay, so this requirement of brake is very very important for the point of examination point of view. Okay, so this question is very very important. Define brakes, or what are the requirement of brake system, they may ask you. Just you write this 8 point. Okay, next. So that is what it is a mechanical device. It will prevent the motion of a moving body. So I told here the brake system, I taken images and put here. Just you look at this here. If the pedal is pressed, these two will be will stop the wheel. Okay, where it is used, wheel brake systems are used in almost all the vehicles, that is like in car, planes, etc. Okay, now even the trains also they are using almost all the vehicle. So here the braking system, some images I put here. See the brake images in a car, plane. Okay, now this is bicycle. Okay, now almost all the vehicles, their brake systems are used. Okay, next, what is the purpose of braking system? To stop the, as we know, it is to stop the vehicle by converting the kinetic energy into heat energy. So heat energy is created in brakes by with the help of friction. When pedal is pressed, there is a friction generated which takes place in between the near to the vehicles. Okay, now friction is created between moving a and non-moving surface at each wheel to generate the heat. So disc and drum brakes are the most common type of braking systems are used. This two brake system I will tell you in the next ppt. So what are the basic fundamental, or what is the principle of braking systems? Okay, now friction between the braking surfaces converts the kinetic energy into heat. If in drum brakes, wheel cylinder force brake lining against inside of the drum. So in a drum brake system, the wheel cylinder will force the brake lining to stop the vehicle. In disc brakes, pads are forced against the brake disc. Okay, so several factors can be influence the vehicle braking systems are the road surfaces, road condition, weight of the vehicle, load on the wheel during the stopping, how the vehicle is being driven. So these are some conditions required to stop the vehicle. Okay, now the basic braking system has a brake system must have a pedal and a master cylinder to provide hydraulic pressure, and brake lining and hoses to connect the master cylinder to the brake assembly, that is a drum brake, disc brake to stop the vehicle. These are the basic parts of a basic system. Okay, I hope you understand this braking system. So braking system, just to understand that in this ppt, brake is a mechanical devices to stop the vehicle at any position within a shorter distance. It is called a brake system. Okay, now so I hope you understand this braking system. Thank you.